We in Linville Gorge, North Carolina.
We're in Nebo.
Nebo.
Up probably 4,000 elevation.
Yep. It's beautiful up here.
There's a hangout spot right here, dude. God damn.
So pretty.
Oh no, man. Oh no.
Oh no.
No, man. That's pretty good. This is forming. Shut the fuck up.
Nah. Knowledge. We found a campsite we wanted. The best that we could probably find. It's the one I was up there, up on the mountain. Here's the view from where we're parking the cars. We were hiking everything up. It's a pain. It's steep. It's short, but it makes you tired. But we're camping up there tonight. I'll show y'all everything when we get it all set up. And hopefully we get snowed on tonight. It's going to be cold. I think it's dropping down to like 20s, maybe 25. But it should be good. We'll keep y'all updated after we set everything up to go hiking. Or not hiking, but set everything up for camping. Might drive around and see how far the road goes down. And then maybe find some hikes, do some hikes. But yeah. We're trying to get firewood right now.
There ain't gonna be no way I can build stuff on that.
Cut a wedge out. Are you gonna look for?
And it's the best of the best, man.
How cold it be, Eddie?
Man, it feel like maybe if I threw a water bottle, it might freeze, maybe. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? Man, if it colder than the ice on my neck, you know what I mean?
Yeah, about 32.
About 24, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, about 32 degree outside.
It's probably about like 27 degrees.
Yup.
32.
But it's beautiful. We got the river down there. Come straight through, all the way down back over yonder. Earlier, we saw 4 fighter jets attacking some army folks.
I think our snow cloud is that guy over there.
Yeah, it's supposed to snow later tonight, too.
Hey, mine says 30.
Who's really gonna come up here, you know what I mean?
I don't know.
Not me.
It's so cool. It's so cool. Hey guys, make sure you guys follow ID Media and Ethan's channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah.
And they're enjoying the content. Yeah. We got more coming. We're definitely coming.
Oh, we're coming. Did my burger.
Did my burger.
Did the bubble burger. Got the fire. We got the cooker. We got Michael doing his own thing. We got Eddie cooking his burger. It's about 30 degrees outside now for the burger.
Bro, look at the fucking flame. Oh my gosh. That shit's still such shot.
We messed up.
They're good anymore. Then where the fuck the charcoal goes?
The chair.
You might probably break the chair, dude.
The tents are. Oh, bro, it's slippery. We got leaks coming up. You can see the water dropping right there.
Now this one.
We got a steady leak right there filled up. Right there. 2. Let's see your breath. Spit it out. I somehow popped my thingy. It just flat.
It's not inflatable no more. It's the fucking deflator.
It's a deflatable.
Oh, damn. Pants.
Oh.
Are they what?
Oh. So.
Oh. That leg. Alright, we made it to the car. I was luckily able to unlock the car. It's just a little cold. It says 34. I don't believe that. Me and Eddie in the car.
What's going on, you guys? It's freezing. It's actually cold. We're probably looking about like 27 degrees.
Yeah.
Maybe like 25, but
Turns out no snow,
Nope.
just ice.
just ice. Yeah, it sucks. All it is. It said it was heavy snow, and it said it was gonna be winter warning.
But
Well, it's only like sleet and just like rain snow, so it just sucks.
yeah, but luckily the roads are not really ice. They're
Yeah.
just wet. We checked that, so we should be okay to drive later when it kind of warms up a little bit. Rebecca was gonna meet us somewhere. Supposed to be at 10 at a waterfall, so hopefully she can make it up there. She should be fine. But yeah, we'll show you the outside of the car real quick.
Yeah. Can you check if anybody's behind us?
Yeah, let me. Yeah. That's the front windshield, all frozen. I kind of rolled my window down. I'm gonna take y'all outside. Oh. It is frozen solid. We got icicles everywhere. My tires are slick, so I just realized that. Icicle. Bumper. Roof rack go hard. A little bit of icicles on the ladder. Tire a little bit. There's a view right now. It's foggy. You got some ice on everything. What is it, gang?
You got orange
Bro.
peel, man.
You do a bed liner on that thing?
Bro, that thing got orange peel all
This is
over.
nice, man.
Man, you
Wait, my blood.
bro, whoever painted this John, man, they need
Man.
to fire that motherfucker.
That's crazy, dog.
Man, you got orange peel on everything.
Alright, now it's raining, but
Better than what it was.
we tried to meet Rebecca. We had to turn back because we were slipping on black ice on the roads. Right now it's kind of melting now. There's a little ice. We can finally see that mountain now. Clouds are pretty though. Kind of see the mountain down over yonder. But we're deciding not to camp another night because tomorrow's high is only 38. It's supposed to get down 31. It'll freeze all over the road again because it's all this ice.
And today, rain.
Yep. Didn't snow, rained and iced. But yeah, pretty views. But we're gonna try and bring everything down the mountain, pack everything up, and then hopefully the ice melts off the road and try and meet Rebecca. How would it be? That's pretty wet.
Pretty wet.
Got dripped on right there. We're packing everything up, trying to get out. Rain fly, no good. So pretty.
I don't know if I could see that well yesterday.
And all back there, there's town, a whole city under those clouds.
You guys can't even see. I bet that's where all the snow's at, though.
has nails sticking out.
We found waterfall, ain't we? What happened, Mitchell? What you doing, Mike?
Cooking grilled cheese.
Ooh, no. Look good. Pet it.
I'm just gonna keep doing it.
Can you imagine how much you get off of doing it?
What?
Onto my jacket. Here. Sticking onto my jacket.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
it's snowing. But then slow light the other night. We're gonna try and climb to the top. It's a little slippery, wet. We were gonna do chimney tops, but that hike was closed. So we hiking this now. Yeah. We made it to the top.
Oh yeah. Steep drop.
Something like that. Where is Eddie?
What an idiot.
Oh, there he is.
Bro, there's so many bright.
We're almost to the top.